Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to file a claim with Allstate. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and file a claim with Allstate. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, I recently went through this myself, and the way that I did it was that first I logged onto my Allstate account. Next, I clicked on claims on the upper middle side. Now, once you click on claim, you simply just need to follow the on-screen prompts as far as filing a claim goes. So go ahead and click on file a claim. So now a new window is going to appear. So just simply follow the on-screen prompts to filling out information and such. But there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and file a claim with Allstate Insurance. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.